Hey guys, Joffrey Ward here, and I'm getting ready to show you guys how to make money on Pinterest. Also, going to give you some more tips and tricks to help you get a little bit more more engagement on Pinterest as well, and as well as some other tips that I'm going to add in when I'm talking about Pinterest when we go into more details with the software that I use and how I automate this whole process with me not being here. You know, you guys know I run a t-shirt business. I run a whole lot of other businesses on the side, affiliate businesses as well. So I don't have time to devote into Pinterest like I do is say Instagram or Facebook or some of these other bigger profiles, bigger social media networks. So I do have this stuff automated. I'm going to teach you how to do that. But before I get started, go ahead and like this video if you think you're gonna enjoy the content that I'm about to present to you. This is part of my Pinterest marketing course. Also, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I teach people how to make money online, how to build an online business. I'm pretty good at it. I am a full-time marketer. Been doing this for been full-time for about 2.5 years, and I've been doing this for a very, very long time. I know what I'm doing when it comes to marketing, things of that nature. So if there's something that you're interested in, if there's something that you want to pursue, you definitely want to subscribe to my channel. So let me show you my profile. This is my profile. You see Joffrey Ward Jr. And for me, how I make money on Pinterest, and this is going to be different from each and every one of you guys, depending on what type of businesses you have. Me helping people to build businesses online, and me having a blog and a vlog as well. So I have my own YouTube channel that you're on right now, and I also have my own blog. Is the whole goal of this is to drive traffic to my YouTube channel, because my videos are videos that convert into affiliate commissions, and also send people to my blog where I earn from I get more engagement on my blog posts, and that helps my SEO. I rank in that, and on my blog I also have affiliate links and stuff that people go through that I make money from. And thirdly, because my channel is pretty much universal, the stuff that I'm doing right now with t-shirts, you guys know I have a print on demand t-shirt business that's been going strong for about 3 years. So I do use that, as you can see, some of the in my feature boards. I do have some of my t-shirts in here. I post other t-shirts, and I'm going to teach you the method in a minute. But that's how I make money on Pinterest, through t-shirts. And products do a little bit more than actual well, I'll say this, they're really hand in hand, but people actually do come on Pinterest to buy, instead of some of these other platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram that are just there to mingle. People actually come up here and search things to buy. I was just searching through some t-shirts, and I saw some ones that I like, and in my mind I'm thinking like, yo, this is this is what Pinterest is for. I mean, you come to Pinterest to find the cool stuff, the DIYs, and it's so much money to be made. People actually come here to find stuff to buy, and they even have a Shopify integration where you can just go ahead and buy it right on the platform. And I think Instagram is trying to institute something like that as well. So physical products do a lot well on Pinterest than people think, and just overlook. So with that being said, that's pretty much what I use it for, blogging and pinning. So you can see I get 16.7 thousand monthly viewers on my profile. Actually, I only have around 2,880 followers, so I don't even have that many followers, and I'm quadrupling the amount of views that I'm getting. And it's because of my viral method, and it's because I repin relevant content. Let me show you the app that I use to automate this method, and this will be in the description below. This app will be in the description below. You get your first repins free. Matter of fact, this is the wrong one. You get your first Pinterest pins, your first 100 Pinterest pins free when you sign up. And they also have a monthly subscription fee. Let me move my face a little bit. They also have a monthly subscription fee that after you use your first 100 free pins, You can also get I think it's 400 pins for $300, not 300, 400 pins for $14.99, $14.99, and you get the ability to schedule 400 pins, on your profile, and having traffic come daily. So what happens when you use Pinterest and you repin other things? You're reposting relevant content to your profile, which is going to help more people see your profile. Because when I pin something to my profile, and I actually see right here, and I pin it to a board, and I save it to a board, now my board is being shown on on multiple searches when people search internet marketing tips or make money online or whatever niche I'm trying to target. And the more people that search things, and let me just go to make money online since it's already on up here, and they go to boards, the more relevant content, the more followers that I have on my board, the more I would show up in these top boards to follow. So with Pinterest, people follow a lot of boards. That's basically the main thing of Pinterest. You have all niche related content in one place, and people could read articles, see different things. Pinterest even have a feature where that if you're on the mobile app, when you click on the article, they pull up the article under your pin, so you can read the article, and still it don't exit Pinterest. And they're keeping more people on Pinterest doing that. So when you post relevant content, it only helps the exposure of more boards to people that that people that are interested in that particular niche or topic. So by doing this, you're allowing yourself to get in front of new viewers, new people who haven't seen your profile, who are not following you, that are going to follow you or even come to your profile and check it out. So that's how I'm getting a lot of these monthly viewers, because I'm posting niche relevant content to boards. Those boards are has keywords in them, and they're as I'm continuously pinning things to that board, is ranking Pinterest is ranking my board a little bit higher for those different keywords that I'm trying to target. And you can add a description to your boards, and you can even add hashtags as well to give your board more exposure. But if you're not posting relevant content every day to that board, you're not going to get followers, because most of the people that follow the boards usually go ahead and see who the owner is, and then go ahead and follow you as well. So you also increasing your monthly viewers and monthly people going to your profile. So that's how my name is getting attached to some of these viral pins. And when they coming down here and when they see it on a board, or they just see it on their feed, they see who pinned it and who pinned it to what board, and they can see my face right here, which is my profile, and they can actually see the board that it was pinned to. So that's how you do it. That's how you get more engagement and more monthly viewers, I can't even say it, on Pinterest. So what Tailwind comes in at, and how Tailwind helps, is that I automate the whole process. Let's say if I wanted to beef up my internet marketing board, I can just come over here and type in make money online and get hot pins that are already doing well on Pinterest. I don't know how I'm gonna put this camera. I'm just gonna put this camera right here. But if I go to something like this, and this has 6,000 pins, and it has 67 comments, so this is a pin that is getting a whole lot of engagement, and there's that can potentially go viral on my board, and actually get a whole lot of repins and stuff, and give me more exposure. So what I would do is I would just come here and schedule that pin, and we'll wait for Tailwind to come up. Schedule that pin. I'll put it on my internet marketing board. So I'll do it like that and add it to my queue, and then it'll be scheduled to go out at a certain time. And then when you do that, it gives you other related content. You can just see what's hot right now. You can see the popularity of it on Pinterest, and you can just see this is actually popular on Pinterest and Facebook, and you can just see which pins do you want to promote. So you can see this one gets quite a lot of engagement, because not only is it going viral on Pinterest, it's going viral on Facebook as well. So that's something that I probably will want to add to my queue. And you're just repinning other people's content, which is actually helping them out, and is actually helping you out, because you're getting more exposure by, you know, repinning viral content, and the person that created that pin is actually getting more exposure to their blog. So the more repins that you get, the more traffic that's going to come, more people are going to see that pin, and more people are going to go to that person's website. So that's why repinning is can be great for both parties, because you're getting a viral piece of content that can actually help people see your profile more, and that person is also getting traffic to their website. So I was just coming here and just add some stuff to the queue, stuff that's going viral, stuff that, you know, has a high, you know, hot score, which is basically this right here, and they're pretty good about giving you related content to the niche that your Pinterest board is about. So I pinned to multiple boards. You can see this one is going to my artwork from the world's most talented independent artists. So I post to different boards, and what I like about this one is you can just schedule a whole week or 2 weeks or a month in advance, and don't even have to worry about it. Just let it grow. You're going to get more followers, and I'll even show you my weekly summary and how you know, Tailwind has helped me. You're going to get more followers. You're going to get more repins. You can just see, you know, I've got 35 followers since I've been using this tool, and I've got a lot of more repins. If I go to my insights, go to my profile performance, and you can see my virality score is at a 1.70. So that means it's all the way high. So what that means is, if I was to do a new pin, which I'm going to be doing a new pin that I think has the potential to go viral, it's a t-shirt that has something to do with September. I'm going to drop that pin. I'm actually going to edit that pin. I'm going to take a picture with the shirt or whatever, and if I pin it to one of my boards, it has a high probability of going viral. And I'm pretty sure, because I've already researched the niche on Pinterest, I'm pretty sure that pin is going to go viral. And my engagement score is a lot of people are repinning the stuff, mainly because that stuff is already good content. So I'm already posting good content. Like, so I'm telling you, I'm posting viral pins that have already gotten a whole lot of engagement. So people are naturally going to see that pin on my Pinterest board and then repin that, and I get more repins by doing that. The engagement rate is going to be a little bit higher, even though it's at a new 30-day high. I'm going to try to get it to at least 50% or even 75%. And you can just see my daily follower growth right here. And I'm also unfollowing people who don't follow back. So this is what this represents right here. So you can just see 18, 19, constantly getting new followers, constantly getting new repins. You can see it steadily growing up since I've been using it. So I think I got this app on the 28th, if I'm not, yeah, the 28th. I started using Tailwind. I got the 400 pin membership, and ever since I've been, you know, setting my content, putting my content in the schedule, the schedule feed for me, and you know, Tailwind has been automatically posting it. I'm not there actually posting it. I just have everything scheduled out. I've been growing, you know, quite consistently. So, you know, the number is going up and the amount of repins are going up, and I'm getting more followers and engagement. So to, you know, I know this is a pretty long video, but to go ahead and wrap this up, that's how I make money on Pinterest. That's my method to making money on Pinterest: driving traffic to my vlog, which is my YouTube, driving traffic to my blog, and also driving traffic to my shirts. So, you know, and sometimes I create pins for my shirt, or I just get the shirt and actually do something else. What I've been noticing with people who are buying t-shirts, if you actually add accessories to it, like a pair of jeans or something, that can actually help the shirt go more viral and stand out, because people want to see how people on Pinterest, excuse me, want to see how different t-shirts matches with different outfits and different accessories, and that gets a lot of repins. So if I was to go to something like t-shirt, and this is going to be my last example before I end this video, you can just see, let me get a good one right here. either people wearing the t-shirt. So let me just this might be an ad. So this is an ad. This is sponsored. So let me go something like this right here. You can actually see the t-shirt. It has 119 pins. So if I go down here and show you some that has jeans and outfits with it. So people just wearing the t-shirts gets more repins as well. You can see right here, this has 315 repins. So if you're in the t-shirt niche, this is how you do it. People want to, I mean, the white background is cool, but people want to see how it will look. This right here has over 4,000 repins. So this t-shirt is getting a whole lot of traffic, and I'm pretty sure a whole lot of sales. So just people wearing the t-shirts, and I can't find one that has the outfit, the whole outfit, where they have the jeans under the t-shirt or whatever. But those go viral as well. I'm not going to try to find it. But and sometimes t-shirts with the white background work as well. But hey, it's really depending on what you want to do. I'm just trying different things out. But I don't only post my t-shirts. I post other viral pins in that niche. So any t-shirt that has went viral, like this t-shirt right here. If I go and this is a viral t-shirt that has over, well, I know the original t-shirt has the original t-shirt pin has, I think, more repins than this. Let me show you another example. This one right here. See, when you repin it, it only it actually just repins it to your post. It don't actually show you how many repins it has. So even though it's still the person's content, but these pins right here, some of these pins right here has over 4,000 and 4,000 repins. So it's relevant content to repin to my t-shirt and artwork board, and it's putting more traffic and getting more followers to that board. So when I post my t-shirt and my artwork to that board, it has a higher probability of getting more repins, more traffic to my website, because it has more followers in Pinterest. And if I do my keyword research right, which I'm going to teach you how to do in the upcoming videos, I can actually get that pin to go viral and actually rank for search terms. So this is now the end of the video. I just wanted to get a little bit, give you guys some more value. But I post my own content with this with the repins, in between the repins, and it gets more traffic to my blogs and websites, give me more monthly viewers, all that good stuff. That's how I make money on Pinterest. That's how you can make money on Pinterest as well. Just want to give you, this is just like the general, this is the first part of the Pinterest marketing course. So it's just a general overview of how Pinterest works and the whole theme of things. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to get more Pinterest followers, all that good stuff. I actually use a different software for that. Like I said, if you want to use Tailwind, I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope you guys got incredible value from this video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you can get the next Pinterest videos that I drop. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.